Hi, so welcome back to my channel, BKM Tech and Gadgets. Hope everybody's all good. So this is just a quick video on the leaks that we've got on the Mavic 3 or Mavic 3 Pro. So these are the pictures coming up that are on some websites regarding the Mavic 3. You know, some of them do look like a Mavic Mini 3, but I believe the Mavic 3 Pro is coming out, so that should be coming out say at the end of the year, say around September, August time. But I do love DJI products. Obviously I've got the two here, so I've got the original Mavic Air and the Mavic Air 2, which is a brilliant drone. That was a good upgrade from the Mavic Air to the Mavic Air 2, brilliant drone. So sometimes though I do think like DJI being a bit like Apple, you know, they just brought out the Air 2S to sort of replace the Air 2. There's not many differences regarding the Air 2S and the Mavic Air 2. I will leave a link above on a little video I did regarding the differences between the Mavic Air 2 and the Air 2S. But the rumours are regarding the Mavic 3 or the Mavic 3 Mini. Some of the features that are going to be coming out with the Mavic 3 Pro, they reckon it's going to have a Hasselblad camera shooting 4K 60, Active Track 3.0, which is standard on the Air 2S, OcuSync 3.0 as well, also Vision Sync 3.0. I think that's a new thing that's going to be on the Mavic 3 Pro. And then it's supposed to have 10 sensors on there, so I'm going to believe it will have side sensors as well. But like I said, these are just leaked rumours as well. So the Mavic 2 Pro came out in 2018 in August, so you know, on the Mavic Pro series it probably is going to be an upgrade there, you know, a really pro drone for the professional drone pilots out there. So that's the Mavic 3 Pro. So those are the sort of the leaked pictures and specs on there. Now regarding the price, obviously it's going to be quite expensive. You'd be looking at around say between $999 just for basic, or it might even be a bit more. I'll be looking to say about $1,500 to $1,800. because that's a really professional drone. Like I said, it was just a quick video just regarding the leaks regarding the Mavic 3 Pro or the Mavic 3 Mini. We're not too sure with the pictures. I'll put the pictures up again. So these are the pictures of the leaks that have been circulating on the internet. So hope to see it coming out soon. Obviously I don't think I'll be upgrading to it because I'm not a pro drone pilot. I'm quite happy with the Mavic Air 2 which I've got, and this Mavic Air is still good as well. So if you like the video, please comment below regarding the Mavic 3 Pro, if that's something you're going to be looking at getting, or if you're looking to get the Air 2S or whatever. But you know, the Mavic 3 Pro is probably going to be for the professional drone. So just leave your comments below. If you could like the video as well, that helps the algorithm on YouTube. And if you could subscribe to my channel, because there's going to be a lot more videos coming up on tech and drone videos as well. So take care and enjoy your evening. Hope to see you again on my channel, BKM Tech and Gadgets.